Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a kind of very special video because it took a bit of time for me. I haven't been making videos on YouTube. The reason primarily was that I was quite busy with a lot of things happening personally and professionally in life, but now I am trying my level best to come back to doing things that I enjoy, which is YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this video. This one's a home tour video, though I'm right now not showing you the entire house because I'm still doing it in bits, but I'm pretty set up with my living space, which is more of a living come dining, and my kitchen area because it's an open kitchen. So also a bit of a background. So I was staying in the city all this while in Adelaide, and I have recently moved out after a year's lease. When the lease ends, so we had rented out a place in the city which was a fully furnished apartment, and the apartment was really pretty. The only thing that we didn't quite miss, or we quite missed in that place, was sunlight, and we felt that in Adelaide the winters are a bit long, and also when you have sunlight coming into the place, I feel you're more active, and yeah, that was definitely one of the primary reasons. And also another reason was that we wanted a bit of outdoor space, a sort of a mini garden, and the current place that I have moved has got both of it in abundance. So I am really grateful that I finally did get this place, and yeah, so this unit was actually an unfurnished one, so I had to really buy all the furniture and do the place in my own way, and which I'm really happy about because I love decorating my house, and I hope this video helps you in any way. Now, without further wasting any more time, please watch the video and let me know what you think of how I have decorated my space. And at the end of it, there are a couple of things that I will from my experience share with you all, which in case you are interested, you could also incorporate in decking up your space. And yeah, enjoy the video. talk about some quick tips that I feel really brighten up a space or add some character and style. And so what you could do is there are a bunch of mirrors of different sizes that instantly do the trick and make the space look much bigger. Like I've used a couple of small mirrors in my living decor. However, if you can get some decorative pieces that also look really nice, so that would be the first thing. Second would be if you would like to include some indoor plants, that also definitely adds to the space. It looks more you're able to connect with nature, and I feel plants really bring a lot of warmth to a space. Then tip number 3 would be that you could add couple of lamps. So these could be floor lamps or they could be table lamps which have got some soft yellow light coming out. Sorry, excuse the noise. However, continuing back to the tips. So what I feel is that the lamps definitely add a lot of warmth again to the space. So it could be of any size depending on the space that you have. If you've got a smaller space, you could add maybe couple of small and one big lamp which is more of which has got certain signature style to it. Other than that, there could be couple of very small artifacts, but some things very interesting. Either they could be something like the portraits or portraits which have got some sort of slogans written, which could be positive slogans or anything that you relate to, because I feel that a space speaks more about the person's personality. So whatever is your vibe, you should try looking at elements, those elements to your space. And also I think another thing also that I felt is adding loads of candles, scented candles. Also the fragrance is amazing. Your house would smell nice all the time, and even in terms of decor they look really nice. Then you could also add couple of vases which could have some artificial flowers in them, but more of pastel shades. That's what I feel, that pastel shades make the space look, most of the times it's evergreen, and that's my preference. You could look at some bright elements if you are that kind of a person who likes adding some bright. So these could be either cushions or a couple of artifacts which are a bit on either black or gold in appearance. So, and also another thing that I would talk about is that always try don't try cluttering your space. Try having the most minimalistic way of maybe making a space look appear bigger, or some sort of coordination or match, which could be either the furniture or looks the same, or it has got a bit of fabric and then wood in it, or if it is more IKEA style, then you might want to play with colors on a balanced way. So these are some very small tips that I feel instantly add a lot of style and character to a space. If you did like these tips, and if you want to see more on the house tour, let me know in the comments, and I will try putting in the putting in more details of maybe I'll shoot another video for the rest of the house, which could be the bedroom and the outdoor space that I'm primarily focusing on. And enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to me, and take care of yourself. Bye for now.